He likes to giggle on the changing table. What do you say? Ah. Ah. Yeah. Ah. Here, bud. Since you put on your shirt, we're going to get you a new one. There you go. There you go. Come here. There you go. There you go. Ah. You got a little purple on your cheek. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's better. Yeah. Hi. Oh, what was that? What was that? I know you don't like this. It's alright. Oh, it's alright. I don't like it. Oh, oh my. It's okay. Yeah, you're okay. You're okay, little man. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. Oh, Mama's taking too long. Mama's sorry. Mama's sorry. There you go. One more time. Oh, you usually like getting dressed. Oh, you usually like getting dressed. Oh, you don't like getting dressed today. There you go. Oh, come here. Come here, honey. Come here, honey. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, you had a burp. That's why you fussed. You had a big burp in there. You burped so. No. Oh, do you have another burp? Okay, come here. Come here. Got another burp in there? Yeah. Got another burp in there? No? Okay, gotta put your pants on. Your legs are getting cold. You gotta put your pants on. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Your sneezes are so cute. Yeah, see? There's smiles. Hi. Hi. Yeah, smile. Yeah. Come here. Okay, come here. Okay, come here, buddy. Here we go. Here we go. Top dog. You can put gloves on. Oh, oh my. My. You okay? It's all good? Okay, get your gloves on. Okay? Because your hands are cold. Yeah, your hands are cold. Come here. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Now get your hands nice and warm. Yes. Okay, all done.